If you walk around my house area, we have a lot of wild coffee trees, you know. This is a coffee trees. Nobody plant. Okay, this is a coffee trees. Okay, I try to see if you can see the coffee. The coffee. Yesterday I saw the coffee. Where we see again. We got a lot of coffee, you know. Coffee trees. See, this is coffee trees. See, there are coffee trees. It's a wild coffee trees. Not say wild, but if the coffee came out, you can pick. Because last time when I stay with my grandmother, we always make our own coffee. See, this is a coffee trees. See this one come out the flowers already, the coffee flowers. They show everywhere they have a coffee trees. See the flowers. Coffee, you see, wild coffee. We no need to plant the coffee, but we got a lot of coffee trees. See, this is all coffee trees. You can see, you know. If you don't know what is a coffee trees look like, this is here you can see the coffee. See, this is the coffee. If you know how to make it, it's very there will be a good coffee, you know. See, so everywhere around my house area we have a lot of wild coffee trees. I didn't see the red one yet, but maybe it's just come out, you know. See, all coffee, and nobody plant it. But you can take, you can eat, you know. I think I last time I got see how my grandmother do. I think I want to try to search back what to put to make our own coffee. Maybe, who know, one day I will plant a coffee. This is the good thing when you stay in the village. Everything